Optimizing OBS for Facebook gaming is all about getting smooth performance and high quality streams. First, make sure your OBS is updated to the latest version to access new features and optimizations. Start with video settings. Set the base resolution to 9020 x 1080 for full HD. Set the FPS to 60 for smooth gameplay. Next, go to output settings and choose the streaming encoder. If you have NVIDIA or AMD GPU, use hardware encoding like NVENC or AMF for less CPU load. Set your bitrate according to your internet. For 1080p 60 FPS, around 4500 or 6000 is ideal. Enable keyframe interval to 2 and use CBR for stable streaming. Don't forget audio settings. Set your microphone and game audio to proper levels and use filters like noise suppression and gain to keep your voice clear. Finally, test your stream with your Facebook live preview to make sure everything looks smooth and there's no lag or dropped frames. Adjust as needed, and once you're satisfied, go live. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.